G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I wanted to take you through how to accept Crypto.com superchargers on the Crypto.com Exchange app. In the past, I've looked at how to accept them on the Crypto.com app, which is different from the Exchange app, and also on the Crypto.com website, and I'll stick some links to those up the top there. And so I thought it's about time I run through the process of how to actually accept them through the app, because the navigation is a little bit confusing, to be honest. It's really not clear. I know what they're trying to do, but it's not intuitive at all. So just before we jump into that, I just want to say this is not financial advice whatsoever. It's purely for your entertainment. You should do all of your own research and don't invest anything that you can't afford to lose. Now, if you don't already have an account with Crypto.com, either on the app or on the exchange, check out the referral links down in the description and use those, because you do get CRO sign-up bonuses. So it's 25 USD paid out in CRO on the app, and on the exchange varies depending on how much you stake on the exchange. So check those out if you don't already have an account. And then when you're ready, jump into the Crypto.com Exchange app with me. Once you're into the Crypto.com Exchange app, you'll want to click on that little hamburger menu icon up in the top right, up there. So click on that one. That will take you to all of the features. Click on Supercharger, and that will take you through to the Supercharger overview screen. Now, you can also get here from that home screen by clicking on the Supercharger button from the list of options in the middle there, if it's showing for you. It doesn't always show for me. So either way, that'll take you into the Superchargers screen. And again, this is the Supercharger overview screen. So this will show you what's going on with the current Supercharger that is active right now. If you scroll down, it'll also show you the previous events and what stage they're all in. So to actually accept your rewards for the previous event, up the top center of the screen where it says Supercharger and it has that down arrow, click on that. That's actually a little menu for this subsection within the Crypto.com Exchange app. In there, you'll see there's a bunch of options. Supercharger, which is actually the screen that you're on right now, that overview screen. Then you've got Supercharger info, pool balance, past events, and Supercharger reward. While Supercharger rewards sounds like it might be the logical place to go, you want to actually go to Supercharger info. So click that one, Supercharger info, second one down, and that will take you through to the status of the current and previous superchargers that you have been a part of. So you can see there right at the top of mine, I've got the option to stake or withdraw from the current supercharger event. And below that, I can see that the previous supercharger event, which is for Ali, is in the acceptance period at the moment. And it's got all the details of my reward there. So my rewards score, my calculated rewards, and my daily rewards. I'm not sure why that total rewards one is blank, but it actually should be the same as that calculated rewards anyway. It's what you'll get paid out in total over the reward period. So again, remember, these rewards get paid out on a daily basis based on the duration of the reward period. So for this particular supercharger, that reward period is 21 days. And so we can see there in that last option that these are daily rewards paid out for 21 days. And for me, that's just over 1 Ali every day for that. So to accept that reward, we want to tick the box to say that we understand and accept the final amount of Ali that's been allocated to me and the basis of its calculation to be my final allocation of Ali. So when we tick that, the accept button will then be activated and we can go ahead and click to accept. Now, this is really important to do because if you don't accept the rewards, you don't get them. And if you miss a day, once the acceptance period is over and the rewards period has started, you don't get rewards for that day. So if you miss half of the rewards period, you miss out on half your rewards. So make sure you come in here during that acceptance period or as soon as possible to ensure that you get all of them. You've had your CRO staked. You deserve to be rewarded for it. So make sure you do that. These rewards will start to get paid out as soon as the rewards period commences. And again, they're going to come through daily. Now that we've accepted that reward, we can see the summary there for it. There's nothing else we can do with it. It has ended. We've accepted the rewards. They'll just start to get paid automatically to us and they will go into our exchange wallet. They don't go to the app, they go to the exchange wallet. So once They appear there. You can then trade them on the exchange, or you can transfer them over to the app if you wish. It's up to you. And I've got a video up here on how to actually do that transfer if you wish to transfer coins from the exchange over to the app. So check that out if you want to know how to do that. Otherwise, that's it for me. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. And again, if you don't have an account on the Crypto.com exchange or on the Crypto.com app, check out those referral links down in the description. And there's also a few others there that give you various sign-up bonuses on other crypto platforms. So check those out too if they are of interest to you. That's it for me for today. Have an awesome one, and I will catch you next time. Bye for now.